Kestrel will be ready to leave the nest just a month after they hatched. From tiny defenseless chicks to confident young birds, these kestrels have grown so much. But growing up in the wild isn't always easy. These tiny kestrels are blind and helpless, but in just a month's time they're going to be ready to fledge. The mother arrives with a mouse and carefully feeds each chick in turn. The female isn't the only one to care for the chicks. The male is responsible for bringing food in for the family. And soon, they're getting too big to brood. The female heads out to hunt. Thankfully, the female is soon back, and she expertly feeds her brood, circling them to make sure each chick gets a mouthful.